A two-day intense crackdown has been launched by the Punjab government against the illegal Afghan immigrants and the landlords that are facilitating these illegal Afghan refugees in their properties. Multiple cases have been reported from Rawalpindi and Lahore against those landlords who have facilitated these illegal immigrants. The administrative and executive agencies such as police has cautioned the citizens to be vigilant and to be active and report or reach out to their helpline if they spot out any sort of foreigner in their premises. This initiative has been taken broadly in the policy between the constrained Afghan Taliban and Pakistan relations, as a huge mass deportation has been under its way against the illegal Afghan immigrants who have been presiding in Pakistan and specifically in different parts of Punjab specifically. This initiative has a proportionate impact from the Torkham border, as the Torkham border has been reopened after 20 days solely for the repatriation and deportation of Afghan refugees. A lot of number has been contributed by the Chaman border and now by the Torkham border, where the smooth deportation of illegal Afghan immigrants is being ensured by the administrative and enforcement agencies. Around 10,600 illegal Afghan immigrants have been sent back to their native land, Afghanistan, through the Chaman border, and now the total estimation, according to a consensus by the government of Pakistan, is 15,06,000 Afghan immigrants who have been successfully deported back to their native land, Afghanistan. In this particular context, Punjab government has taken this initiative and launched an intense two-day crackdown where they have not only cautioned the citizens of Lahore and Punjab, but they have also arrested some landlords who have been facilitating these illegal Afghan settlers in their various properties.